Let's learn double crochet together. Start with a foundation chain. Make 3 chain stitches as your turning chain. Wrap the working yarn around the hook from back to front. This motion is called a yarn over, shortened to YO. Insert your hook in the back loop of the 4th chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. YO again and pull yarn through only the first 2 loops on the hook. YO again and pull through the last 2 loops. 1 double crochet is done. You can place a stitch marker on your first DC to mark your starting point. Repeat the previous steps from the next back loop.